Children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, we are going to learn our second keyboard lesson. In today's class, we are going to learn our second keyboard lesson. And our topic is keyboard fingering exercise 2 for both hands. Are you ready? Now, position your both hands on the piano and set it properly. Can we play now? Make sure you lift your hands gently and lightly. Make sure you lift your hands gently and lightly. Let's try it. C, D, E. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi. C, D, E. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi. Children, did you have fun playing the keyboard? Now, if you couldn't do it perfectly, no problem. Just go back and try it again until you feel comfortable, and try it as many times as you can. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instrument basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic surfers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.